Hi everyone, Don Smith, Cranford TV 35, and welcome to the 15th annual Jason's Friends Foundation Car Show here at beautiful Oak Ridge Park in Clark, New Jersey. There must be at least 300 to 400 cars here, and you can see a few more are going to be coming in. You can actually hear them here. But again, we're going to take a tour and show you what is here this afternoon. So many good-looking cars, so many different colors and makes. It's just unbelievable some of the work that goes into a lot of these vehicles. So I'm going to switch the camera around and let's get started for a tour of the 15th annual Jason's Friends Foundation Car Show at Oak Ridge Park. So we spun the camera around. We're going to start up here at the front. We're out by Oak Ridge Road, and we're going to start with this beautiful Blue Lotus. I mean, this just is a real showstopper, brand new, absolutely gorgeous looking vehicle here at the car show. Let's continue on over to look at this beautiful Cadillac. Unbelievable. Let's just widen up the camera a little bit for us here. There we go. And you can see this beautiful gold color. This is a 1966 Fleetwood. Look at the size of this thing. This thing is immense. This thing's got to be about 22 feet long. Beautiful white walls on the vehicle. Wow, look at that. Switching back to the Lotus real quick. Good color combination there with the red engine cover, mid-engine cover with this beautiful, Corvette calls it the Rapid Blue. I'm not sure what Lotus calls it, but that's a great looking metallic color. Let's come on over here. Another Coupe de Ville, an orange one. This almost looks like it's got a TV antenna, like rabbit ears. Look at the inside of this one. Beautiful. This is a 70. Cadillac parking only. I mean, that's what I should have for my two. Look at the lights in the front. Very cool. Not sure what this is here. 1930 Ford. Good looking vehicle there as well. Nice silver. There's another Cadillac. This is probably let's see here. Crest Cadillac, Staten Island. That's where the car was bought. 1973 Sedan DeVille. Really nice. Here's a 76 Coupe de Ville. Almost like I don't know what color you'd call that. But I know that for the Soli, I think it's called, the convertible. It's very much like the Celestiq, but it's the convertible version. It's called Manila Cream. I'm not sure what color this is, but it's similar to what this is. That might be a little more yellow, but very interesting vehicle. Look at the nice plush seats in there. It's like sitting in a Lazy Boy. I think Lazy Boy's still around. This is another Cadillac, Fleetwood. Gorgeous looking stuff. I mean, there's so many cars here, friends. At least when we checked in at 10 o'clock this morning, we were close to 250 at that point. There's probably close to 400. There's so many more that showed up. Anyway, look at this beautiful Mustang. It's the SVT, and it's got the paint almost looks like it kind of changes color. For this here looked green from my vantage point, then it kind of gets a little bluish, and it at times almost looks like it's purple. What is that, you say? Look at that, a manual transmission. Not too many of those around anymore. Beautiful Super B Challenger in red, gorgeous. Another Mustang over there, good looking stuff. Some more Mustangs. Very cool. Mustang Row here, Saline, a white Saline. That's a 2004. We've got a white Corvette. Corvettes always look good in white. This is a 1979. Good looking stuff there. It is a bright day. You know, this morning we thought maybe could have been canceled with the rain from last night, but here's a nice beautiful Shelby convertible. Wow. There's a black Shelby. Some of these are daily drivers. They have, regular plates on them. 1990 Ford Thunderbird SC supercharged. 3.8 liter V6, all original, 9th supercharged built. Very cool. Always liked these vehicles. They were fast back in the day too. Now this is 0 to 60 back then was like 7.5 seconds, but now you get electric cars to do it in less than 3 seconds. And you got this nice looking Roush Mustang. Here's a beautiful looking Ford. Beautiful 72 SS Nova. Bonneville Pontiac. I mean, there are cars as far as the eye can see. Now this one's a Cutlass. This is a good looking car. I like this color, this kind of gold. 72 Cutlass Supreme. Beautiful. Another gorgeous one too. This blue with the white. Wow. Another 72. Really nice. Continue on, a 442. 442. Red one. Thinking maybe this might be a club of some type. That's a lot of these car shows. What they'll do is they'll bring their car clubs, which is great. This one's an interesting one with the black 442 with the black convertible top. Very, very nice. This orange is beautiful. 1970. Wow. And look at that. He even has the Hot Wheels too. Show it. Very cool. I think you know you got a cool car when you got a Hot Wheel of it. All right, let's see what we got. This, I think, is a Studebaker. Straight 8. Look at that. You don't see any engines like that today. 8 plugs across the board. There's another neat one, too. I think this is it doesn't say what year it is. Let's see. Oh, the old QQ historic plates. Look at that. The black and the tan buff plates. Very cool. Don't know what year this is though. Like the big white walls. Look at that. Nice. And this one is El Camino. Especially for our Shade Tree Commission superintendent. Look at this thing. That is yellow. Surfs up. Endless summer. Very cool. Aloha Flower Power. There we go. 64 Chevy Camino. El Camino. That's in great shape. Look at that. And it's got Hawaiian plates on it too. Is that from Hawaii? No. I don't know. Trying to see here. No, I think I'm not sure. No, this looks like it's from Hawaii. It's got an official sticker from 1964. Wow. The logistics of getting this to the mainland must be immense, and then have it here on the East Coast in Clark. Wild. All right, let's move on to a 78 Chevy Corvette. Nice looking vehicle there. Good looking some modified engine work. Again, this is kind of just a quick tour of some of this stuff. There's so many cars we want to try to get to as many as we can. 1994 C4, I believe. This is a 84 Chevy C10. Wow, look at that engine. 77 C10. Look at that. Wow. Beautiful. Here's a 57 Chevy. Nice looking artwork on the side.
I would probably say
3100 pickup. That is gorgeous. All purple. You need to bring purple back. I know the new Corvette for 25-26 has Hysteria purple, but I don't think it's purple enough, really, for me. Chevelle. Let's make our way to this side here. This show is so big, and again, if you're familiar with Oak Ridge Park, it was once a golf course, so there's a lot of undulation all over the place. Some beautiful Chevys here. Look at the colors of these. I always like this fastback wagon type look. This is a 55 Chevy Nomad. I always like that look. Again, you're starting to see more and more newer vehicles. They want the SUV look, but more of the coupe kind of styling, and we're starting to see some more of that design language with some of the vehicles. Just as the Blazer EV SS is kind of interesting. Same thing with the now discontinued as of this filming, the Acura ZDX, which is kind of an interesting vehicle as well. Basically the same as the Chevy Blazer EV and the Cadillac Lyriq. Some more Chevys here. I mean, just look. I mean, it's like as far as the eye can see. There's so many cars here. You got Garden State Hot Rod Club. We'll take a walk down this way and then walk up the other side. There's just, honestly, it's just too many to even get involved in here. This is crazy. So I want to look at this Mustang. It has like a purplish color. white, red. Let's take a look at this one here. That is a 2018. I hope the camera does that justice because it kind of changes colors. Almost looks like a gray, but I got sunglasses on here, so I think it's more of a gray, actually, like a slate gray. Well, they're just as far as the eye can see. Let's come on down here the hill. Let's see what we got. Again, Oak Ridge Park is just a beautiful, beautiful place. Let's come on over to the path. Hopefully the phone doesn't overheat on me because it's fairly warm out here. We'll come on down. Nice looking TA Trans Am. What year is this? This is 84. Well done. Very, very nice. The inside looks like, yeah. And a manual too. Wow. Good looking stuff. '34 Ford. Is it a Thunderbird? Yep. 63 Thunderbird. And it's this one here. 61 Chevy Impala. I don't see many of those. Love this orange color in the Corvette. That's gorgeous. Wow. That is nice. Well done. Well done.
They will have the Lamb's Grand Sport, which is rarer than the GTOs.
There's a little Pontiac action. This is a Malibu 67.
When you're out in the water,
Good looking Shelby GT. 2008. 76 white Corvette. Beautiful Z28. Look at the color of this Hemi. This is a Dodge Cornet, excuse me. Wow. Look at the colors on these things. That's the thing. I mean, there's so much work that goes into these vehicles, so much pride and about every one of these cars, whether this is almost a brand new Lexus. This is a 2023 IS 350. And let's see what else we got. Another Camaro. So just a wonderful day here today. Oh my goodness. Look at all these cars. There's a Ford, 34 Ford, Comanche. We got this Camaro. This is a 81. I think there's another one next to it too. A white one.
I got some food there. I know you got food there. Don't be stingy.
Rally Sport. Another SS. A BMW. And a beautiful 2023 Camaro. Wow, very nice. Very nicely done. Beautiful. Gorgeous colors. The colors just pop. Z01. That's a special car too. That's fast. It's beautiful. Really nice. I'll get a shot of the blue seat belts, which really add to it. That is great. All right, you can see a few other vehicles down there towards the end there. One of them is a Jaguar, I believe. The other one's a Cadillac. They got the right idea to sit in the shade. A couple more cars over here. Because there's very little shade here at the park unless you're right underneath the trees. Bunch of Chevys here. Nice looking Corvette. Porsche. Let's see what this yellow one is over here. Again, there's so many friends. It's just impossible to get to every one of them. But this is a 51 Chevy Bel Air. Wow. We got Mustangs. We got Camaros. It is just as far as the eye can see here. It is just a some show. They do some job here for this 15 years it's been here at Oak Ridge Park. Look at this beautiful Buick, the red. Beautiful red. I want to see what that is. Boy, that red really pops. And I got sunglasses on, and this is red. 63 Riviera. Whew. Boy, that stands out. Another white Riviera, another orange Corvette. Let's bring over the Cutlasses. 60 Plymouth. Real nice. Look at these. Another Mustang. Wow, that's well done. It's just, you gotta have the right place to store them, but a lot of folks, there we go. Little guy driving a little electric pickup, a dump truck. The Chevy wagon. Look at that. 69 Kingswood. Now that is sharp. Almost looks like the Brady Bunch car. Very cool. All right, let's make our way over to this side. Continue on over here. More Corvettes.
Well, don't I live in one of the 13 colonies? Don't I live in one of the 13 colonies? Yeah, a really nice crochet blanket up here. Winter time is coming. Holidays.
Challengers.
You know.
Nice CA Corvette. Let's take a look at this one.
For $20, you get
This is a 2022.
For $10, you get 3 tickets to walk home with an American.
I think that's Matrix Gray.
What a novel idea.
And the Sky Cool Gray interior. Real nice. You can see that mid-engine. Very nicely done with the silver cover, the stripes. Very cool. There's an E-Ray down here I want to show you as well. It's not fully electric, it's just performance electric, enhanced electric. There's an electric motor. You don't plug it in, you don't do anything else. But this is gorgeous. Look at those wheels. Look at those wheels. That looks great. 2025, brand new, fresh. That is a special car. Very nice. All right, let's continue over here. The motorcycle run is actually just coming back right now as we're filming this. So why don't we actually show you the beginning of the motorcycle run? So sit and listen for about 5 minutes of rolling thunder. Before we get to that, let's take a look at this Corvette down here. These folks got a nice shady spot. That's the name of the game, is real estate, right? Let's see what we got. Gorgeous. Very nice. You can see as far as the eyes can go here. 57 Vet. Look at that. Look at that orange. That is wild. Let's see what we got here. Gorgeous. Orange. Wow.
And we're still going, aren't we?
Fantastic. Another Cadillac.
Whatever.
So let's do that.
We lost count. It's over 50
Take 5 minutes and listen to the rolling thunder. Turn up your TVs, turn up your smartphones. Take a listen to this. There's probably at least 400 or 500 motorcycles that went on their motorcycle run. Got Hot Rod Mike in the background. And then after that, we'll be back with more of the tour of the 15th annual Jason's Friends Foundation Car Show at Oak Ridge Park. All right, friends, you see all the vendors are out here today. Beautiful day to be out and about. Let's continue on.
Darren, how are you?
I'm going to show you this. We're going to show
Nice
the
to
front
have
end
you
of
out. I love
the
that shirt. I love that
front
shirt.
end of the show
Where's that
here.
come from?
This is gorgeous. This Thunderbird. This color is unbelievable.
Is that the
It's like a
one we had this
tannish
year on October
56th T-Bird.
Martin, what's the
I don't know
shirt?
what color
And
that
you're
is.
wearing our
Let's
shirt
see if we
from
get. Let's
last
see.
year? You're a great dude. I love you, man.
3-year
What
frame
did we
off
have there on
restoration.
October 19th this year?
Buckskin tan. There we go. One of 316 never made. Wow. Look at this Fab 55. That's gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Look at this thing.
It's a season
Wow.
for Union County and
Wow.
other counties around.
Look at that.
It's a great charity. We have many different charities that we contribute to.
That is beautiful.
Maybe somebody maybe we can.
SS is there. Some more Novas. Another Thunderbird. Oh, sorry, that's a Corvette. Here's an Edsel. Look at this guy. Wow. Good looking stuff. Let's come around the front here. See what we can find. Another Corvette. Beautiful. Another Caddy from the Galloping Hill Cruisers. Do a real nice job with this show. Another Pontiac. Look at this one that's lowered. This is a Ford Coupe 46. Wow. Again, the weather early this morning was a little iffy, but boy, it's just absolutely gorgeous. Can't get a better day than today.
Really helpful.
Another Mustang, another
That's
Corvette.
Mike.
Wow.
Michael maxed out. You got flyers up here. What do
Another
we
Grand
got cooking?
Prix.
Next week we got 2 big events for you.
Look at this thing. This is a car show, not a petting zoo. Look but don't touch. That's funny. That's good. I don't even
Look
know
at
how
this.
to get
Wait
into
a minute.
thing.
Wait a minute. I got
don't know what
the. I
this
just
is.
need one. I got the 2 Johnnies here
Look
too
at this.
from Legendary.
Wow.
How you
Gorgeous.
guys doing? Johnny Hawaiian, Mr. Diaz,
All right.
president. How you
Luke
doing? Thanks
Corvette.
for coming out, man. You
Ah.
brought a nice crew with us.
Just
today.
beautiful.
You helped us out, man.
Just gorgeous. We'll come around the front here.
No.
'Cause now we got the bikes.
Not doing it today.
We got
I'm
the
not
bikes.
gonna do it. I'm gonna tell him we're good.
We got the bikes that are parked here. Look at
Thanks
that.
for coming to Staten
The
Island.
horns.
Supporting us, Club 3.
Unbelievable. Look at all these shows. Look at these cars. Great volunteers here helping out.
I don't know what to say.
Here's more of the bikes that just got back from the run that you just saw.
Sometimes is, if you're up on a Monday and we're handing out a flyer or you see it online and it
Just
says
absolutely
Legendary
gorgeous.
Muscle, you probably have about 20, 30, 40%.
County Police doing a nice job keeping everyone safe here
It's
today.
not about being from Staten
This is
Island.
unbelievable.
It's about being a member of a big group that likes to go around. Hey, I'm from the Galloping Hill
Wow,
Cruisers,
look at this.
and we want people. But you guys are
You
upstanding.
can just see it as far as the eye can see.
So thanks for coming out.
So many
Thanks for being
cars,
good
so
friends.
many
Thanks for
cars.
joining us. Back to Michael. You got
Wow.
a big show coming up next Sunday.
Here's a beautiful GMC. Let's see what year this is. Almost like a matte finish to it. Really beautiful maroon looking color. Let's see when this is.
Okay, that's usually a big one. We got
Oh, be out of your way. 1 second. 49. 49 GMC. Beautiful other
and Edison area,
powder blue
Southampton
Corvette.
area.
Here's a Monty SS.
So come out, visit.
Always, these are always very, very cool. This is an 85 Resto Mod.
10 a.m. to 3
Wow.
p.m. And that'll be located
And there's a lot of hardware in that
30
back seat.
Washington
Wow.
Avenue.
This is a Pontiac Firebird. Let's continue over here as we make our way through.
Avenue,
Nice.
South Plainfield. Where is this place?
Beautiful blue looking Corvette 94. A Saab. When was the last time you see a Saab? A 92. That's what a Saab was. A Saab before, I think before General Motors bought them.
This ends your
Another Ford QQ.
your season ender Saturday, October 25th. I know my good friend Richard.
And here's a beautiful looking
I've been out there.
70, let's see, 71 Chevy Nova.
As he shares the wealth with everybody, he says sometimes come out and share the wealth with him. Right, Jimmy? Right, guys?
For my friends in Allen Oak Hill Place, who absolutely got tortured with their two Novas, one green, one blue. You guys know who you are. All right. So let's finish up here. We'll wrap it up. My beautiful 2014 Cadillac ELR. Again, this is Cadillac's, I say it's Cadillac's first all-electric vehicle because the engine is just a generator. It does not power the transmission. Some may disagree, but there's the plug right here.
Saturday, October 25th.
Here you go, 240 volt. It's only about a 7 kilowatt charger at best.
I try to share everybody. Where's my gals? Oh, where's the gals? We're out here. Thank you, everybody, for the food.
So we can
Dennis is right.
open it up. This is the inside. Beautiful tan. Wow, it's hot. It is hot out here today. You can see it charges up to 33 miles. Actually, I drove over with it, so I took a few miles off it on all electric. But it's 2014, one of only 500.
That's our Halloween spectacular.
500 and I got to see what I wrote. 534, I think, is what it is. Let's see. It's one of 540 in crystal red tint coat, one of 520 with cashmere. And there's Pop's Corvette 98. Good looking vehicle here.
We have our standard.
Only about 24,000 miles on it. Engine is almost to the point you could eat on it.
Big Best in Show Awards. Am I right?
Good looking stuff. So, all right, friends. I think we're going to
So we're going to be out here.
finish things up. Let me switch the camera around. All right, friends, that comes to the end of our look of the 15th annual Jason's Friends Foundation car show here at beautiful Oak Ridge Park.
Thank you,
Gorgeous
Mark,
Clark,
for
New
bringing
Jersey. I want
everybody
to thank
out. I
all
see you
the
got your
great
little section
sponsors
over there.
of this show, as well as all the volunteers that have helped make this such a great success over the last 15 years. My name is Don Smith for TV35. Happy motoring, and we'll see you next year.